Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to fix a common but annoying Windows issue. The error code 0x80041014. This usually shows up when you are trying to activate Windows after a fresh install or sometimes randomly out of nowhere. If you have seen the message that says something went wrong, error code 0x80041014. Don't worry, you are in the right place. I will walk you through multiple proven solutions to get your Windows activated and running normally again, so make sure to follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, let's understand what this error actually means. This code usually indicates a licensing or system file issue that prevents Windows from verifying your activation key. It could be due to corrupted system files, a glitch in the Windows activation service, or even a problem with your internet connection. Now let's fix it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that it is stable. If you are on Wi-Fi and the signal is weak, try switching to a wired connection or restarting your router. Once you are connected, try activating Windows again. If it still does not work, let's move to the next method. Step 2, run the activation troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu. Then go to Settings. From there, click on System, then scroll down and select Activation. If your Windows is not activated, you will see an option that says Troubleshoot. Click on that and let the troubleshooter run. It will scan for issues and sometimes fix the error automatically. If it finds a problem with your digital license, it may relink it to your device. Wait for it to complete and then restart your PC. After reboot, check your activation status again. If it still says not activated with the same error code, do not worry, we still have more solutions. Step 3, reactivate using command prompt. Press the Windows key plus X, type CMD. Right-click on command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type this command, cellmgr.vbs/ATO. Then press Enter. This command tells Windows to attempt online activation again. You might see a confirmation message saying product activated successfully. If not, you may get an error message. Do not worry, we will handle that too. If it did not work, try this alternative command. Type slmgr.vbs/IPK/. Then enter your product key as 5 sets of 5 characters separated by dashes. Then press Enter again. After that, run the ATO command one more time. Still not working? Let's move to Step 4, Reset Windows Update and Activation Services. In the same command prompt window, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Net stop WA user V. Next, run the command net stop cryptase VC, and then run net stop bits, and lastly, run the command net stop IDEC server. Then restart the services by typing net start WA user V and then net start crypt SVC. Net start bits, and lastly, just run the command net start MSI server. Once done, close the window and restart your PC. Then try activating Windows again from the Settings menu under the Activation section. If all these steps do not work, it could be that your key is invalid or already used on another device. In that case, your best bet is to contact Microsoft support directly. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, or if you are still stuck, I will try to help. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.